Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let's find and open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option General Management. Then let's scroll and find the Reset option. And as you can see right here, we've got two different options which are connected with the networking. So we can reset mobile network settings and separately Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So the operation is basically the same in both. Just tap on the specific option, tap on Reset Settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. Tap on Reset and the network settings have been reset successfully. The same with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap on Reset Settings and we are done. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.